Some of you might be thinking where we've been. We've been just busy harvesting, and as you can see the tomatoes are finished. They are dying off now and getting harvested for the cattle as feed. As you can see, they are now enjoying themselves on the plants, and still no rain. It's still dry and real hot at this point in time.
We have a failed watermelon harvest.
Yeah, but we did get watermelons off it, but it wasn't.
It wasn't profitable.
No, it wasn't
We had
profitable.
too much winter damage,
Mm.
frost damage.
And then,
So the tomatoes are finished. The community doesn't believe us, but because they're still seeing red spots. But believe me, they did. They finished. We are finished.
yeah, it was a long harvest. It was tiresome. We took about 9 tons
Yes, 9 tons of tomatoes.
of this little section, so it's a lot of tomatoes.
But it's also the only tomatoes we've successfully harvested this year.
Yes. And then the green that you see in the lands are actually butternuts.
When we're going when we're going back, I'll show
So,
that
but
part.
nice.
Then you can talk more about that.
And now we're gonna go check out the bricks that's been made. So yeah, here we're by the bricks. And as you can see, we've made a few of them already. Or there's been a few made already. I haven't counted them again, but I believe about 800 bricks, 800 or 900 bricks. So this is for the new property that we have, that we can build our house there. Because on this property we can't build our own place, so we need to.
Well, it depends on whose language you're speaking, house language. It won't be. Huh?
Nou gebeur.
Niks. Dit is die lig. Yeah.
Sorry, flash went off. I thought something.
I was in the shade and couldn't see your face, so I moved. So now it automatically. Look, isn't that for our animals?
Yeah.
That our bones should be by?
I think no, that one is one that was brought in with the dogs from outside.
Okay. Well, we will be building more cottage. So it will probably just be a 2-bedroom small cottage, and 1 bedroom will be our study, and you can meet Gonzo. Maybe we'll let them swim.
Yeah, I don't have the keys for them.
No, I mean in the swimming pool.
Oh yes.
So it will really just be a 9x8 house, 9x7 house.
9x7 house.
Yeah, it's nothing big, plain and simple. But we are excited. We've been working hard at the bricks. We've had someone help us, and then he messed it up, so we won't be using him again. Or there will be family feud in his house, because I don't want him to make bricks for us. Anyway, so yeah, we have about between 800 and 900 bricks, because we still have those there by the house. We have the sand ready to go for the next few bags. And yeah, I don't know if you know Phoenix. Phoenix is our Belgian Malinois.
Phoenix.
We got him as a gift from our friend.
Phoenix.
And we thoroughly enjoy him. He's still a puppy. Not much older than Gonzo. Can you believe that? Actually, Dusty is the old one between the lots right now.
Yeah, she's the oldest.
But that's Phoenix, and Gonzo, Dusty, and I don't know where's Freya, but she doesn't.
Still sleeping now.
She doesn't like coming this side.
No, she
anyway.
Let's go show the fields.
Okay, so you can see the tomatoes are dead. Because
very much dead.
They have to be dead right now.
That's the butternuts.
Butternuts. It shows him a nice one. We only had grass like this everywhere, but we haven't had rain, so
Because the pipe has been clean.
yeah.
There's as long as my hand already.
Yeah, so we still have about 4-5 weeks before harvest. They are still young plants.
Now they're only 5 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks old.
And then we'll show you the tomatoes.
Yeah, there's not really much to see. They're still small.
You just transplanted them.
Yeah, just transplanted 2,300.
And then we have flowers. We are selling flowers now at Mega Mart in Ongodiva for those looking for flowers. But yeah, the heat has been harsh. There's nothing edible anymore except onions and some tomatoes and celery. But yeah, this is carnations we've been harvesting. That row is finished. We planted some.
Roses.
Look at these roses. Ooh. This is my newest additions. I've been investing in my roses. Well, Anton does the buying. I just tell him what I want. Every time we get a nice harvest, we invest a little bit. We have gladiolas coming. I don't know. Yeah, so we took out the zinnia line now. The red rose bush is doing well. All these roses are doing well. Maybe not the best time of the day, but I don't think there's a good time of the day these days because the sun hurts us. So actually we just need to clean here, but we have dahlias growing there. These gladiolas have been planted for early December and then early February. That's the plans, hopefully. These are just some asters. I mean, let that be a lesson to me. Don't just buy flowers, seed research them. Because this is a dwarf variety. So it's not very helpful for the flower farm. This side, well, you can see. There's the flowers I'm harvesting right now. Don't know if you can really see much from here. Oh, it looks dead from here. But that's the side. This is the newest plantings. This is 2 months ago. And this is a month ago.
This was yesterday.
And this we started yesterday. So we are planting a line of 2,000 plants every month now, and extras on that side is perennials. And then I don't know. I don't have much flowers because I really just started my flower farm 6 months ago with $500 and seed that was available. In the meantime, Anton has helped me a lot adding different varieties. And so these lines all have flowers, and it's enough for 10 bouquets every week right now. Fresh flowers that
we need to deliver at this moment.
I have been expanding considerably, so we might be able to do 20 to 30 bouquets when we start harvesting those limes. But yeah, that's basically, the trees are suffering, we are suffering, and nothing much else except studying and planting poles on Walter's farm, and your wife dislocating her hip.
Yeah.
So
she's struggling to walk, so now it's just me, myself, and I going to Fortress.
no, I know I will be helping you.
Yeah, we'll see.
You'll get much more done when he's with you than when I'm with you. Anyway.
Thank you for watching. From me, Anton.
And Lynette.
We love you. God bless and goodbye.